Hi, welcome everyone to Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make date
جرب
with Chef Mother.
تحفة
These are
فنية.
the ingredients, so I will explain one by one. This is date paste and baking soda and hot water. We will mix together and we will make like a paste. This is all-purpose flour, whole egg, vanilla essence, baking powder, date syrup, butter, and brown sugar. These all ingredients we will make like a cake mixture. So first we are going to mix butter and brown sugar. So you will add the egg slowly, same like a cake mixture. So we will use the paddle for this mix. So we will mix in slow speed between 10 to 12 minutes. So you will add egg slowly but time to time. So we are going to fold the flour and baking powder. Always baking powder and flour you mix together. So I need to say something about our chef madam. Very short period he's become a chef and do his best. Proud to be a Nepali. We can see now sugar and butter already melted, so we are going to add the flour now. Slowly you add the flour to the mixture. So it's become now cream paste. During the mixing we will add date syrup, vanilla essence, then milk. So we will mix together and we will add to the first mixer. So let's see how is today chef madam date pudding. This is the final mixture, so we will add all together and we will mix. So we will mix 2 minutes. This is final. You can see now our mixer is ready, so we can go for next step, baking. Actually this is not baking, this will be steam. So we are going to pipe the date mixture. I will use the aluminium cup with little oil spray. Even at home you can use anything. If you have rubber mold you can use, even ceramic can you can use it, no problem. One portion we will make 19 gram. You can see very creamy smooth mixture. So we are going to steam now. This is the way we are doing. You need to cover one put pan on top and you need to keep some space. So I will show you how much I keep this space for steaming. So you keep some space for cooking the date pudding. So So let's see after 35 minutes how is the madam date pudding.
35. Okay.
No need to worry about oven. If you don't have oven, you can use at home your cooking pots and steam. It will be the same result. Date pudding is ready, so we will see. Wow, it looks very delicious. So this is the way you unmold.
اوه فريش. الحلاوه ده. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. يجرب. تحفه فنيه. نجرب دي 100% روعه. شكرا يا شيخ سامبا. عظيم والله العظيم 100 100.